Guam has instituted a recognition of Micronesian traditional knowledge in keeping with our commitment to the region and to indigenous knowledge. Annually, we recognize an individual who, through personal effort, commitment, and knowledge, is seen as a master of Micronesian traditional knowledge. This is not an easy task or an easy award to win, but it is a necessary one. Today, we bestow the title of Master of Micronesian Traditional Knowledge to Bilong Gloria Salih of Palau. Bilong Gloria holds the traditional title of Bilong for the Island clan of Koror and effectively functions as the leading female or female title holders in Palau. As the holder of this title since 1975, upon the passing of her grandmother, she has made numerous contributions in a variety of roles. She says, and I believe that this is the proudest role that anyone can take, she says she is proudest of the role of teacher and mentor to the children of Palau in order to pass along traditional knowledge. I'll quote from our resolution. Whereas Bilong Gloria Salih is noted for her competence as an expert in Palauan traditions and cultures and practices, on Urod, a matriarch in all senses, bringing in valuable and giving out the same valuable, establishing her undisputed role as matriarch and teacher, traditional women's leadership and development, traditional community organization, facilitation, mobilization, and policy development, leader of Palauan cultural practices, preservation, facilitation, and adaptation. She is the leader of the delegation here for the Festival of Arts for Palau. She was a member of the Palau Community College Board for almost 2 decades. And so I am proud to present the Master of Micronesian Traditional Knowledge to Bilong Gloria Salih. And I'm going to read for a minute, and I hope I don't murder it. Aradil o Elimedel Akleche Bila.
Chairperson of the University of Guam, Board of Regents, and all members of the Board of Regents, Dr. Robert Underwood, President of the University of Guam, Dr. Hilda Heine, President of the Republic of Marshall Islands, Dr. Patrick Tulay of Verdale, President of Palau Community College, Minister Baklay, the Minister of Community and Cultural Affairs, Pastor and Mrs. Torsius, distinguished guests, graduates, ladies and gentlemen, also my special guests who came with me from Palau to celebrate this special occasion. Good afternoon. Although Palau, Paramount High Chief Ibadu, High Chief Baklay, members of the Palau Council of Chiefs, Ebi Baklay, Palau President Tami Irmusau Jr. are not here with us this afternoon, but I would like to recognize them as they have been working with me throughout these many years. I want to recognize them and Dr. Tulay for recommending me to be recipient of this special designation. I would like also to thank Mr. Michael Gunn for traveling to Palau and brought me this great news and delivered the resolution that enabled me to be here today. It is indeed a great be receiving the Master of Micronesian Traditional Knowledge honorary degree. So let me take this opportunity and thank the chairperson and members of the Board of Regents of the University of Guam and Dr. Underwood for their consideration and decision to confer this degree to me. I am so full of joy today to be among these graduates who will receive their degrees, as I also received my honorary degree, in recognition of all the efforts we did making it possible for us to be here today. For myself, receiving this degree started when I was still young as an errand girl within the family, between relatives, as well as members of women and men groups for important meetings, and learning of my traditional role in the family, community, and society relating to culture and traditional customs which continue even until today. I recall occasion when my mother sent me to inform men and women leaders to attend meetings with Dr. Brooks and United Nations people, inform women to prepare food for these meetings to be held at the Totalban. Only later in years, in life, I learned from my late husband, Carlos Sali, that Dr. Brooks was the chairperson of United Nations Mission Visiting Team to Palau. I have been blessed to be able to teach, share, and practice with young generation so that our cultural heritage will be promoted, preserved, and handed down from one generation to the next. I have enjoyed doing this. Also have learned a lot while working with leaders, women, men, young women, youth, and the little children at national level, regional level, and international level, and I will continue to do so. In fact, I have taught 46 men and young women and youth dancers and brought them with me to Guam, where they will perform different traditional dances, chants,